This video is how to make an emergency rubber band belt out of rubber bands using rubber bands. We shall begin fabrication of the rubber band belt. First, separate your rubber bands. Take one rubber band, interlock it with the first. Pull taut till you create a knot. Do the same thing. Does not have to be in any particular order. I cannot use my hands for some reason. What is going on? Okie dokie. We have connected all three. The next step is to pick it up and place it near your waist. As you can see, we have some pants, pretty standard. You'll be using this loop and this button. First, you loop the band around this belt loop and pull it to where it's all the way connected, like so. Then you take it as you would your belt and loop it through the loops while stretching it periodically so it gets all the way around your body. Make sure you use high quality rubber bands. The final step is to utilize your button. Go through the final loop. Push your button outwards and connect it around the button. And you've successfully held your pants up with the sap from the rubber tree. You may go on about your day.
Anyway, hope this video helped you guys out and maybe got you out of a bind at work. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.